Hi, this is Luke from Total Parts Pro. Today with a 2021 Nissan Navara, stock number 6772. It's ran from the 4th 2015 to the current shape. It has a YS23 DTT 2.3 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine backed by a 6-speed automatic transmission. This is the YS23 2.3 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine. Left front headlight. Left front 17-inch aftermarket wheel good tyre, left hand door mirror, left hand door no dents, left rear 17-inch aftermarket wheel good tyre, left hand tail light, rear tailgate dents along the edge, right hand tail light, right front door no dents, right front door mirror, right front guard, right front headlight, right front 17-inch factory automatic good tyre, right front door guard, right front master switch, center console lid, automatic gear shifter, heater AC controls, factory touchscreen stereo, interior mirror, front courtesy light, left front sun visor, right front sun visor, factory 3-spoke vinyl steering wheel, instrument cluster,